how to get the best unlinked codes. In this video, I'll show you how to get the best unlinked codes. So there are a few ways for you to get promo codes from Unlink. And first and foremost is through Google. So go ahead and search for best unlink codes. And then from the results, you'll be able to find all of the updated codes that you can actually use. So go ahead and open the very first result. And in here, as you can see, you can find 14 best unlinked codes you can use for free apps. So here are a few. So first would be everything. Second is Firestick. Third is 7919E0D4. So in here, you'll be able to find not just the code, but also everything that you'll get once you use that code on Unlink. And that is how you can basically find the best Unlink codes.